Kita Zamboanga Sibukan.
Santa Clara din na siya.
Congratulations to our second runner-up for the Miss Renewable Energy by Santa Clara Power Corporation. Now let's move on to our first runner-up.
To present the award for our Miss Renewable Energy first runner-up, we have Engineer Anderson Ocampo, Project Manager of Santa Clara Power Corporation for the Clarín Hydro Project in Misamis Occidental. The winner will receive cash prize of 7,000 pesos.
And our first runner-up for Miss Renewable Energy is Cabanatuan City!
Huh?
Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for your grand winner for Miss Renewable Energy.
To present the award for our Miss Renewable Energy 2024, we have our very own judge, Mr. Francis Joel Sire, Chief Operating Officer of Santa Clara Power Corporation, assisted by Engineer Bench Lupo, Project Manager of the Malipco and Silog Hydro Projects here in Malipco, Bukidnon, and Engineer Kevin Zaragoza, Chief Electrical Engineer for Mineral Projects. The winner will receive cash, bouquet of flowers, and check worth 20,000 pesos.
All right, your grand winner for Miss Renewable Energy by Santa Clara Power Corporation is Iligan City.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the winners of our Miss Renewable Energy by Santa Clara Power Corporation. Congratulations, ladies. Now, our beautiful delegates have been fortunate enough to be going around the different municipalities around the Bukidnon area. And they were fortunate to meet people and local governments and seeing the beauty that is being Bukidnon. So these municipalities have decided to choose an ambassadress that will represent each of their municipality here on this very stage. So tonight we will be awarding our municipal awards.
And we will be starting this with Miss Philippines Earth Bahuma 2024.
To present the award, we have our tourism coordinator of Bacolod, Charles Sistina, together with a tourism officer, Marjorie Malone.
Miss Philippines Earth Bacolod is Kinsan? Kinsan? Ang sabay kini. Bacolod! Congratulations, Miss Philippines Earth Bacolod Bukidnon!
Punda siya.
Congratulations, Paul. And ladies and gentlemen, we come to the Lake Rubo representative corner. This is